This is Little Orange on a 364. It's long. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Into the tennis court. Nice.
Okay, this is Astrocam. The B64.
Uh-huh.
Go for launch. Push.
If it doesn't work,
5,
then
4, 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Oh. Almost, I touched it.
Let's see
Good.
how many feet in mine it went.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12,
23 feet. Nice. This was good. Not bad.
It's like maybe 2 meters.
Good boy, Pulo. Okay, I gotta stop the recording, remember?
Oh yeah.
Say anything?
And you are welcome back. Next flight is going to be the Cicadas. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Almost, I touched it.
Let's see how many feet. And you are welcome back. Next flight is going to be the Cicadas. Up next is Cicada launch. Be prepared.
How many cicadas you think are in there?
I will calculate at least 7.
Okay, great.
Or 8, maybe 9. I don't know.
What brood are these?
What brood?
Yeah.
I think there's
Brood X.
yeah, brood X. This is blue nose cone with cicadas on board. And it has a C65 in it.
Yeah, C65.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
Okay. There goes that. I think it's on the other side of the tree. Yep, hit a truck. You think the cicada survived?
Yeah, they survived.
Okay, great.
Ready to let batch X go?
Hey, let me see. Can I see them? So they all survived?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Oh,
good job. Okay.
And there's our car.
Wow, look at all those.
There
1, 2,
they
3,
climb. They're
4, 5,
Mount
6, 7,
Everest.
8. There's 8 of
Hey,
them.
look.
Cool, look. Look, Pulo. Look.
It's the race
Yep.
of all cicadas.
Wow. Cool.
He gets a head start. He gets a head start. He gets a head start. And also he.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Nice. Come, Pulo.
It's their Mount Everest. For us, it's only a tree.
There goes, look, now they're all racing up, huh?
Yeah.
Yep, there they go. Cool.
They're racing
Bye,
for the
cicadas.
now.
Nice.
And welcome to the Cicada second flight.
They're all in this rocket.
Yep.
Wow, listen to them. Okay, so we're going to put this camera in there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it's going to be second flight cicada. What is that?
Yep.
I hope we don't lose this rocket. Come on, Pulo. There's a jaw. Close. Scanning. They got it. Connect. Okay, time for launch.
Okay.
Good boy.
After that, you will go in there. You might.
I'm trying to arm it. It's taking a while.
Or in there. Or up there. Or up. There's a cicada on board. The second batch is going up.
Here they are. They're inside. Okay, Pulo, back up.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, this is Olympus D15,
D12.5.
D12.5 with camera, Astrocam, and cicadas on board. See you in a little bit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Wow. Oh man. Come, Pulo. Come. Don't roll in the grass. Oh no. Come on in the parking lot. Good. Come on. Come on, Pulo. Oh, of course, in the tree. Come on. Of course.
I can't see it.
I see it. It's right up here. Come back over here. You'll see it. Come here. See it? It's right there. Between the branches, see? See the black with blue? Over here. Step over here.
Oh yeah, I see it, I see it.
Okay?
Oh my gosh.
Yep. Guess what we have to do?
Bamboo fit.
Oh man, that's the one we want to get back. Because it has altimeter and everything.